welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. So guys, I have received 4 goodies from the brand Wow Skin Science, and I have received this Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash, this Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner, this Vitamin C Face Serum, and this Vitamin C face cream. I think they have total 5 product on this Vitamin C range. I think they have one Vitamin C face mask, but anyway, I have received these 4 products, and yeah, in this video I'm gonna talk about all the details of these 4 products. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, Wow Skin Science is an Indian brand. They manufactured locally, and the headquarters is in Bangalore, and all their products comes in this kind of very basic brown cardboard packaging, and all their products are sulfate free, paraben free, cruelty free, dermatologically tested, and 100% vegan product, and their products are easily available online. I'll share the purchase link into the description, so make sure to check the description. So guys, the first product I have this Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. It comes with this soft silicone brush, and the price of the product is $3.99, and you're gonna get 100 ml of product. The silicone brush helps to deep clean your pores. Vitamin C helps to neutralize skin damaging free radicals, which is responsible for dullness, age spot, and wrinkles. The face wash contains essential oils, lemon and orange that help to even out your skin complexion. Vitamin B5 and E help to hydrate your skin. You have to gently massage this foaming cleanser using the brush in circular motion, and then wash it off with plain water. The next product is this Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. It comes in this kind of pump format. The price of the toner is 399 rupees, and you're gonna get 200 ml of product. This toner is influenced with lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, witch hazel, and aloe vera extract. It's a multitasking product that offers the benefit of both toner and facial mist. It refresh dry and tired skin and provide deep hydration. It also minimize pores, improve skin texture, and also brighten up the skin complexion. Next, come to my favorite product, which is Vitamin C Face Serum, and it comes in this kind of amber glass bottle with this pump dispenser. The price of the serum is 699 rupees, and you're gonna get 30 ml of product. That is how the serum looks like. Apply this serum in dabbing motion and allow this serum to get soaked into the skin. I like to use it at night before my bed. It contains 20% of vitamin C, witch hazel, and hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C helps to brighten up the skin complexion. Witch hazel clarifies skin and reduce redness. Hyaluronic acid gives deep hydration and support the collagen structure. So guys, the next and the last product I have this Vitamin C face cream. It comes in this kind of unique contactless jar. Here they have an unique dispenser which ensure the right amount of product comes out for easy application. The price of the cream is 599 rupees, and you're gonna get 50 ml of product. So this cream absorbs very fast. It is non-sticky and non-greasy. Vitamin C helps to add an extra glow in your skin, and hyaluronic acid hydrate and repair your skin. This cream also fight against skin aging and help to even out the patchy skin. So guys, that is my thought and review about this product. I really like this Wow Skin Science Vitamin C range, and it is for all skin types people, so anyone can use this product. And out of this 4, my favorite is the face serum. I really like this face serum, and it works very fast. You can see visible result within a week, and it works better with the face cream. And yeah, that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.